Welcome back to my channel. On this particular video, I'm going to show you on how to create an empty directory on your terminal. So step number one, open your terminal, then try to list and see what you have in your terminal, or rather your repo. So you can see the document that I have in my repo. So in order for you to create a directory, you use the command mk, which stands for make, dir, which stands for directory. So the command is supposed to be make directory, mkdir. Then after that, write down the name of the directory that you want to create. Now let's assume that the directory is Linux tutorial 2023. I will write down the command followed by the name of your directory, which is Linux tutorial 2023. Then I will press the enter button. So what I've just done, I've already created a directory which is Linux tutorial 2023. Okay, let me see whether I'll be able now to see the directory that I've created. So I will use the command ls, which stand for lists, ls stand for the list. Then after I down on the ls, I will press the enter button. So you can see that I've created this one, the directory, which is okay. There was a mistake. If at all you separate your name, it will create it as 3 different directory. Okay, let's try to make one still on this one. So you can see that what has happened, this was done intentionally so that you can note that if you separate the name, the system will detect it as different directory that you are trying to make. So what it has done, it has created a directory Linux, a directory tutorial, and a directory 2023. Okay, let me assume that I want to make one directory which is a Linux. Then we have the slash tutorial slash 2023. Okay, let me see whether I'll be able to see it. So you can see that we have been able now to create it. Here it is, Linux tutorial 2023. So that's the command that you use to create an empty directory. So in the next video, I will show you on how to delete an empty directory from your terminal. So thank you for taking time to go through my video. I hope that you have learned something small on the Linux. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you at all you have any question, you can write it down on the comment section. I will answer or clarify all the questions that I would get on my comment section. Thank you. Have a lovely day.